Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a logo in Wix header. So firstly, just simply open your browser. Now after you're in your dashboard, what you have to do is simply pick whichever site you want to edit. Then after you are inside that website's dashboard, just simply click on edit site over here. Now after you're inside Wix editor page, just simply click on add element over here. Then click on image. Now over here, just simply click on upload image. Now if you have the logo, just simply upload it from your computer or in any other place you may have. Just simply attach the link or just simply drag and drop from that particular place. In my instance, I have the logo in my computer, so I will just simply click upload from computer. Then I will navigate to that particular folder and I will just simply double click on that logo. Then after a few seconds it will be uploaded into the Wix library. Then after that, just simply click on add to page, or if you want to crop or edit or adjust anything in this particular image, you can do it from over here and here as well. Then just simply click on add to page. Now as you can see, the logo is, but it is too big. Now in order to decrease the size, just simply hold your left mouse key and drag from this particular point, which you can see over here. So just simply drag upwards. Now let's simply put wherever you want. So for example over here. So as you can see, the image is still too big. So I'll just simply decrease the size a little bit more. Now adjust the image. Now as you can see, that purple line indicates that my logo is in center. So after placing your logo, just simply click preview, and in the preview, if you're happy with your logo, you can just simply click on publish, or if you want to make any more changes, just simply click back to editor. Then you can edit the logo further, and after editing all of that, just simply click publish in the end, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.